pero the ultimate counter from Denise Aguero. But, ninangay na isa-isa ni Roger. Oh! What? Look at that! At the top side, nagbabakbakan na natin the ultimate para hindi siya mamatay. Well, palakpakan mga pogi, mga ganda mga boss. Ang galing. Nakita niyo yung play nila kanina.
Dream Team, Mobile Legends. Wala na galing sa ating Dream Team.
Hey guys, this is Nick from EJ's Adventures. We got some hot and heavy excitement. We're here at a major Mobile Legends tournament here in SM Diet and Caminos Norte. With today, this tournament sponsored by Parents EJ. Okay, right now, what team? What team are you?
Neobis Esports.
What's that again?
Neobis Esports.
Now introduce your team.
I'm the jungler of the team and I'm the team captain and he is the goal laner of the team. And I am Mark, I am the main shooter.
The main shooter.
And I'm Ezekiel James Misa and my role is expert.
What's your name again?
Ezekiel Lumiza.
Nice. So what does Mobile Legends mean to you guys in this tournament? So what would you guys do with the money that you guys win?
We will spend all of the food.
In the food? In the food? Now, how long have you been playing?
4 years.
4 years? 4 years? What about you? How long have you been playing?
6 years.
6 years?
4.
4 years? What about you?
4.
4 years? Nice. So what are your chances of winning today?
37.
37%, I like that. At least you're honest, right?
50%.
50%? Well, we believe, EJ's Adventures believe in you guys. So keep up the good work. Good luck today, guys. Okay, we'll capture you on your plan.
Uy, gago tapak.
Random K.
Ay, gago. Yung ano yung lunas na lang po yun. Ilit ba to? Wala yun. May ulta wala? Ang ina na yung squad. Focus pre, focus lang tol.
Sumunod nyo muna kasi generator po yata yung gamit. Mataas po yung yung voltage. Pero kayo,
May hitbox ka te.
pero kayo pwede naman dito sa harap yung dalawang captain. Si ODL, yung nag-report, dito sa harap yung dalawang captain. Tara, boss. Tara, tawag. Dito yung pumasok yung Moscow. Moscow lang, boss.
And I want to see how will they play chip. With teleport siya, it's very strong. 5-man teleport, it's not easy. Very speed. Lalo na kung kunyari nag-rotation sila, sama-sama sila, it's very strong. Madali lang siya dumalo and everything. And I want to shout out Delete sa SMCT Diet for making this possible and also from Perrins. Ayan, ano sumasabi na. Okay, sino kaya yung threat for them? Sino kaya ang possible threat for them? Depende kasi as a player, may mga players na malalakas gumamit ng hero pero nakita natin that Matilda is not able to join this battle ng Team Hori at Team Dream Team. So wala si Matilda, wala tayong makikita ng lumilipad na annoying support. Ayun yan ang ating team. Dream Team. So wala, pwede na rin, gusto discard yan ubusin niyo yung cards. Kasi you gotta decide properly kung sino yung pipiliin niya. Tatabog ko, di ba? Tatabog ako. Release that. Uy! So ayan, ang mga players natin ngayon, we can see their lineup. Last pick na lang coming from Dream Team. At sino yung last pick nila? So nakita na lahat ng lineup ng Team Hori Esports. Are they going to counter this one or are they going to stick to their play? And that's gonna be Lilia. Sure, Lilia, sure. Okay, makpaka na ito. So, balance na talaga ang nakikita natin further core. And this is Dream Team. Let's go! Let's go! Hori Esports, Dream Team, excited na ako. What's going to happen? Kayo ba? Ano sa tingin nyo? May mga predictions ba kayo? Anong possible mangyari? Uy, walang dayan dito. Let's play it fair. Walang magkakainitan ng ulo, walang magkakaasaran ng ingay ng pusa ko. Pasensya na po mga guys. Naglalaro po siya mag-isa. Ayan. So, okay. So yung lineup nila ngayon is gonna be Valentina, Yuzong, Barats, Roger, and Lolita for Team Hori Esports. And the Dream Team naman is going to be Linga, Lilia, Nathan, Terizla, and Angela. Maganda yung lineup ng Team Hori. Medyo makunat sila, especially for getting that Valentina. Malakas yung power ni Valentina because of her ultimate that she can steal ultimates of ng gagaya, you know. Isipin niya na she can make a counter play with this one. So let's see how will things work for them. Okay, escape Lolita, very half HP. Meanwhile, Link talagang nagagala lang looking if pwede siya makapitas dito ng low HP. Too easy, reason. Ay, ganda yung mga location ng Link nila. Maganda yung ginagawa ng Link nila na after yung mag-form, umiibig siya being prepared using Barats as their core ng Team Hori. Okay. Grabe naman, grabe ang ating pagsuporta sa'yo. Okay, we can see that, level 3 na. Sabay na sila the turtle is going to spawn in 10 seconds and you know what it is. Pag mayroong turtle, there's a clash, okay? Usually that always happens. Pag may turtle, may clash. Ito na nga po, nakita nila na meron ng turtle. Barats is now starting the turtle habang pagbabangon sila sa mid-mind. Is going wild. Okay na snare dito. Radical is now trying to escape habang nagsimani shot ng dito si Dijen as Valentina. Okay, ang first turtle is going for Team Hori. Very nice. Okay, maganda yung rotation ng Team Hori natin habang papunta na sa ating top lane. Okay, nakita niya, Nathan, natuktok sa ulo, medyo masakit. Pero ayun, nag-turn pa siya dito, binilatan. Grabe. Okay, tayo. Nagkama from lane, pero hindi natama first blood. Grabe naman talaga yung pag-dodge ng ultimate ni Lolita. Okay, nag-ultimate kill na to. Grabe naman the pick off right there coming from Team Dream Team. Alos, making a play dito sa bot lane. Nakakaramdam. Pak, ito na. Nag-ultian na ni Teresa. Trying to step. Yuzong is going to escape. Yes, safe na safe siya dito sa tower. Pero napapansin natin na pwedeng rumispawn ng Team Hori. Kailangan nila comeback dito because na-pick off ang mid lane nila ng core ng kabilang team. Ang pangalan ay Dream Team. Habang nandito napapansin natin na yung pagbapakan na good kill coming from Jerry. Jerry ba yan? GRY? Siyempre Jerry babasahin ko dyan, di ba? Okay. Tamang kill lang tayo dito. Heroes coming from Jerry. Angela. Pinatry na lang mag-invade ng camp. Ito na nga po. Makuha pa nila yung blue buff. Great up sa ultimate coming from lane. Pak sa top side, nagbabakbakan na sa the ultimate para hindi siya mamatay. Well played, Dolitos ultimate is not going to connect. Low HP na si Roderick, pero ito na nga po ng uling low HP, makakatakas ba ito ng mga kalakyan dito na kinadinuraan, pero nagwala yung aso, kinalmot isa-isa with that low HP. He survived and got that double kill. And ayun na, they have the information that they're going to defend the top. Meanwhile, their core, Seth Abby, is still farming and getting all the creeps para mabilis makaipon for that first damage. Well played coming from these both teams, 2-3 na. Pero naka-counter naman siya ng Team Hori. They just need to be patient. They just need to control their emotions, how they play. Ito na nga po nakikita natin si Yojin. He's gonna get poked right here. Seth Abby hindi takot, babe, bumawi. Sinapak, bumawi din ang sapak. Diba? Ano ni anak ni Anino? Okay, sumunod na dito. Saving himself sa Georgian na. D3. Kailangan na itas na konti. Bumibel pa sila yun with the movement right here. Pero grabe naman po. Terizla going wild, hitting that hard hammer in the face. That's gonna be a sling coming from Barats. Grabe naman po, Nathan. Ang sakit ng burst damage ni Nathan, the way that he kites the enemy is amazing. At the same time, nasa front lane din siya. Basag na ang mid ng Team Hori Esports. Ano ang sagot nila dito? By the way guys, ito lang masasabi ko sa inyo, this is a best of 3 games. So pag natalo sila dito, meron pa silang chance makabawi. Pero, sobrang importante ng first win for me. Kasi the pressure is going to be huge for both teams. Kasi naman ang makakuha ng first win dito, pero napapansin natin, currently dominating is Dream Team. Is now going to destroy the top lane. Okay. Nag-meet up na sila dito. Ito Yuzong and Terizla, mata sa mata. Medyo naiipin yung sitwasyon dito. Here comes the ultimate coming from Ling Ling. Hindi tumama yung Estelita. Pero grabe naman po yung triple ultimate coming from Terizla. Going right there. Is dito to escape. Yuzong umaatras na. Pauwi na ako. Sabi naman talaga, Audrey, strive to survive. Grabe yung sustain niya. Nasa loob siya. Wala makapigil sa kanya. Hindi lang siya ni Angela. Pero yun, hinahin na siya ng down. Meanwhile, the middle is also getting damage. Grabe yung kill coming from Jiri. Palos, strike yun. Medyo naipit ito. Napuntak na. Here comes very wilding all the skills are version. Pero napapansin natin na tamang shield lang ang nagano na. Ano ko na. Kasi pag nag-overshoot kayo dito, nahihirapan kayo. Katulad nangyari kanina kay Terizla. When it wala lang yung mga keep on fighting kasi may possibility na manalo. Ito na nga po mga Seth Abby. Alam mo ba girl, inultihan na pero that's gonna be ultimate damage. The burst damage and the timing from Lilia. Ultimate pa rin siya mamatay pero shutdown. Terizla going wild. Valentina going wild also para makuha na skill. Very low si Jerry. Pero makakapaghiro pa rin dito na ikipagsugong wala 2v3 at mananalo sa crush na yun ang Team Hori Esports. Kailangan nila mag-ingat sa mga ganong classic play. Like I said a while ago, hindi porket naman kayo, kailangan nyo na mag-play recklessly. Hindi pa tapos ang laban na hindi pa nababasag. Okay, ang ating ice cube na ating paborito. Anak ni Anino. Audrey, making a position right here. Ito si Audrey, napapansin ko maganda. They made a mistake at mas skill lang pang makuha ng Lord. Nag-iingat ka dito, hindi ka na mahula ng skill ni Barats. Okay, Leg is now going to be aggressive. May nagmumunwok pa dito, Michael Jackson. Nagmumunwok pa si Nathan, guys. Mag-iingat. Okay, behave. Kalma. Hinga lang. Focus on the play. Nag-regen na yung Lord. Kinakait lang nila to habang si Ling. Ano mo? Okay, ito yung advantage kay Ling eh. Not gonna lie, this is one of the advantage kay Ling. Ang bilis ng mobility ni Ling. So, habang ganito yung nangyayari dito, pwede siyang pumunta ng ibang lanes to cut off the creeps para ma-push yung lane habang wala ka to. Tignan mo, kulang sila dito at kayang-kayang mag-respond agad dito ni Ling with an instant because of her abilities. There goes in. Ito na. First damage from Roger. Ito na nga po isa-isa na kinakain pero the ultimate coming from Terizla. Going bad. Ninangay. May isa-isa ni Roger. Huwag kaya magpapapigil. Kahit may wag dito na kailangan pa sa Terizla with HP right here. Pininahabilan. Sustaining. Defeating those two enemies right there. Nathan and Lilia was getting zoned out. Ano ka pangalan? Barney. Ito na nga pamabasag nila yun. Isipin nyo yun ha. Isipin nyo yun. Basag na yun. Jet. Gina lang tatawag sa'yo. Okay, Palos with the question opportunity kasi alam nila 40 seconds pa naman yung Lord. They have the information. Pumasok sa loob, here comes the water becomes Teresa. Okay, Balas trying to zone out. Babi yung pag-shield dito ni Roderick. Roderick trying to help his teammates to block that damage pero naipit. Ultimate! Foreman ultimate pero kailangan nila umatras dito. Ito na nga po, the Dragon is going inside. Ito nga po, Roger. Hinangal isa-isa. Nagwawala na yung aso na ulul na. Hindi yan Askel. May lahi yan. Nagwawala pero kasi natin dito Barney is trying to zone out the enemy pero ito na nga po, Lin making a play. Medyo naipit dito yung situation niya. 2v1 situation is gonna get killed. Ultimate coming from Angela to sustain. Ito na nga po, too easy for Drizen is gonna get picked off right there. Shut down. Triple kill coming from Lin. Free Lord. Pero hindi nila kailangan ni Lord to. Pwede lang i-push yung top and end the game. Ito na nga po ang top mabang ating Fury. Tapos na, yung connect. And that's gonna be a win from Dream Team. Well played. Back and forth lang yung labanan, man. Back and forth lang. Ang ganda. Palakpakan mga pogi, mga ganda, mga boss. Ang galing. Nakita niyo yung play nila kanina. Upper bracket semi-finals. That shit. Shoutout nga po wala ulit sa mga nanonood. Uy, Harit is gonna get banned. Oh, good, man. Okay, like, if he would pick Ling again, I would say okay lang. Kasi yung performance na pinakita niya kanina is very good. The way he rotates, the way he picks up an enemy, kung paano siya gumamit ng ultimate. Same pick sila sa kabila. Oh. We can see that Lilia and Roger is going. Oh, Angela. Uy, right out, bro. Pero nakuha nila pa. Let's go. Irithel is gonna be chosen right here and Audrey with Teresa. Steph Abby, alam mo ba gan? Esmeralda. Pakito, it's a prank. Si Teresa and Irithel, and meanwhile, in Team Ori Esports is Lilia. Good, clearing fast, pero ito na nga po, tinilip nila kung saan nag-start at alam na nila that Dream Team have started in the red buff. Tayo di Jen is gonna get poked right here. Okay, hindi ito mamaya poke, pero grabe. Assist right here. Wow! Okay, sinisilip agad nila pero clear agad ni Sev Abby yung mga buffs hindi nila kailangan. Mobility. The extra mobility na nabibigay ni Matilda is malakas. Kaya for me is a very strong pick si Matilda. So, still, may heal pa naman siya. Anak ni Anino, sa'yo dyan. Oh! Nakikita natin dito, Palos medyo naiipit. Oh, mawali niya yung slow dito. The damage is going to connect but it's not enough for them to take down the mid lane na si Palos. Talagang sinasagot niya ng damage, hindi siya takot kasi alam niya, damage is not enough for him to get killed. Nag-4K na lang yung buhay ng Turtle. May steal pa nila po. Save Abby. Alam mo ba, Garo, with the skill and the ultimate and the pick of first blood coming from Valentina. Ang lupit naman talaga is gonna be slain right here. Dalawa ka mapapick up nila pero good trade coming from Lilia. Sisi, try to get Sev Abby. Gusto niya rin makuha yung red. Sobrang greedy mo naman, Sev. Sev, baka may ipin ka dyan. The ultimate is gonna be right there para makuha niya yung Turtle. Oh! What? Look at that! Right there, hindi nakapatinig pa pala sila pero yung HP niya ultimate. And you know what it is? They need to get this turtle for the money and the shield. They try to defend hawak ng Team Hori at map advantage at the moment sa turtle. Pero kailangan nila mag-ingat because Ling is right here going inside, trying to kill Sayo Dijan. Ingat ka dyan. Okay, Palos. Trying to kite the enemy, 5k HP yung turtle. Ito na nga po makakawal. Is this going to be a steal? No, it's not going to be a steal. Pero naipit nakukuha ng isang Teresa na Audrey. Audrey, grabe ka na Audrey! Ang lupit mo naman mahuli Audrey! Anak ni Anino trying to escape. Ito na nga po, 4 players right there on the middle. What a play! Pinasok na sa loob! Nagwawala, the ultimate is going to connect but that's not going to be enough for them to get bursted out. Nakakatawa. Ang buhay niya, it's gonna be a chase right here coming from Roderick. Roderick trying to kite the enemy. Ito na nga po, Palos may ipit, kinagat! But that's not gonna be enough for them to kill Palos here sa mid lane. Grabe ang lakas talaga ng Valentina. Pumasok, bursting the enemy, hindi siya takot, okay, hindi siya masisisi. Makakatakas na dito, bursting. Grabe ka na, Sev Abby, pinakita mo na naman, Gar, kung paano kalapay talaga sa ultimate. Mawuli yung dalawa, kahit yung enemy, zigzag lang sila na zigzag, parang malupitan na galawan, super slick. Super slick. You are super slick, bro. What are you? You're performing well. You are hitting. Just don't overhit. Basag ang mid. Dream team is lamang. Current situation, sa pera, sa push at sa kill. Team Ori needs to reset. Kailangan nila makagawa ng play, pero pinasok na ni Audrey dito. Audrey! Going wild! Walang kawala talaga pag nahuli ka ng chains ni Terizla without ultimate. The Turtles gonna get slain right here. Sumasayaw na dito si Matilda trying to escape, pero hinabol. Palos with the ultimate right here. Valentina humahabol, pero that's not gonna be enough for that to kick the kill. Sio, ito na nga po ultimate para yung mabuhay siya to reset the HP. Pero grabe, anak ni Anino, hindi siya makakuha ng magandang play dito. Nasa-zone out siya ng kalaban. He needs to be careful. Kasi pag nahuli siya dito, medyo crucial. Dito mahuhuli dito Matilda, pero no, it's not gonna win kasi alam niya meron mobility si Matilda. Palos tried to kite the enemy, anak ni Anino, minamicro siya. Okay? Don't get microed. Be careful guys, be careful. Okay, good information yon coming from Team Ori. Ibig sabihin, wala silang pang set pero pumasok dito. Grabe, damage coming from Iritel. Dinadem zero niya lang yung lahat pero hindi yun enough. Mapapaatras talaga na malupit dito. Big advantage for Team Dream Dream Team. Okay, Team Dream Team kasi kaya-kaya na nila kunin yung Lord dito with their enough damage and how they control. Meanwhile, nakikita natin na yung paglaban na dito. Stay dito na yung kasama 1v2v4 situation. May ipit dito. Mapapatay si Ling pero si Angela is trying to escape, running away. I'm so sorry. Hindi kita na-sustain pero that's going to be good for them kasi makukuha na yung Lord. Pero pwede pang ma-steal to. They need to be careful. Kailangan nilang bilisan makuha to. Kasi pag dumating dito, si anak ni Anido, pwede pang ma-steal to. Okay, hindi nila ko ng test. Nag-ulti na naman sa wala si Terizla. Nagdadabog, nawawala si Audrey. Huwag kang magwala, Audrey! And Audrey trying to go inside right here is gonna get kited by Sido Jane. Jane. Okay, Audrey. Airtel jumping, trying to burst the enemy. It's not gonna be enough. Get the ultimate, pero grabe. Valentina getting that ultimate. Pero ito na ultimate coming from Link. Mahuli niya isa. Mababurst down niya, pero makakataas dito sa Paquito. Paquito is going to escape, pero big push coming from Green Team. Habang nag-push sila dito, makakapatay pa ng Torre yung Lord. Pumasok sa loob. What a play coming from Lord. Trying to fight on the enemy. Ito na nga ako kay Bobby na nakikita ng opportunity. Pumasok sa loob. Okay, nahuli na pick up. It's gonna be a 2-kill. And this is going to be, I think, a way coming from Grim Esports. Wag lang kayo mag-overhit. Their chase is on. They couldn't chase Ling right here. Grabe, yung performance na pinapakita ni Seth Abby, how he picks up, how he goes in and out with the assist. Dito, with Angela, with Zri. Ito na nga po, pasok sa loob. Masakit ang damage si Iritel. Iritel going wild. Trying to fight the enemy, bursting with that. A lot of damage. Ang sakit naman talaga. Hindi sila makakuha ng position dito. Grabe yung positioning ng team, Dream Team. Basag. Destroyed by Angela. Destroyed by Zri. Pak, kinagat ng 7 Lions. Okay, big 11-4, ang laki ng lead. Almost 8k gold lead. Team Ori is having a hard time at the moment, pero hindi pa ito tapos. Okay, hindi pa tapos ang laban na ito. Hindi pa tapos hanggat hindi pa basag. Sa Luzon, they need to be careful. Seth Abby looking for a good quick right there. Kumakapon. Well played guys. Palakpakan.